Here's another. There he is. I'll get him eventually. No, I won't. Behind the truck. How are you today? I'm doing good. How are you, Bloody? We're having a little brew. Youngling? Flight? Thing? Yeah. Here's the leg I had to have surgery on? I thought so. That sucks. Ma'am. Hey. Man. Your mama a hoe. Damn it. I hate getting passed up by medics. Imagine reviving. Imagine ever reviving in this game. Couldn't be me. Don't see me. Oh, good. You're here. I'm back in the mats already, so no biggie. You were out of commission for a little while though, weren't you? You're straight to the mamas. I gotta go for the mamas. It's either yeah, you know the options. Doing your mom, doing your mom, doing your dad. Oh, oh. I got you, don't worry. I'll be there. I lied. I'm so sorry. You didn't have to die. I didn't realize I had an audience. Bleh. Their name and do the same back. Oh yeah. I didn't want my bullets to hit him either. Hour and a half more work. Not too bad. I think you can make it. Couldn't get the mag. This fucking gun sucks ass. Man, I thought it was just because of the attachments. I was like, I'm gonna unlock a whole new gun with these attachments on here. Ooh, the fire rate's too slow and the damage is not quite enough to make up for it. It's actually a pretty solid gun on this map because of the... I don't know. I feel like there's so many more better ARs. It's definitely a lower tier AR for me. What should we go with? Should we go with the NTW? We got kind of long range shit going on here. Okay. I have a feel for the iron sights. Maybe you could go with the AM-40. AM-40 is not a bad idea either. What? Hello? Oh, who? Oh, there was another one. Cannot wait to be this cozy. Me neither. I want to curl up on the couch and watch something. I've been watching The Circle lately. Actually, just over the last day. I don't know if any of you have any slight interest in The Circle or like reality show stuff. Are you suffering with the NTW? I love the NTW. There's no suffering here. It's a one shot and I run around with an iron sight on it. Is that a series? It is like a reality TV show where a bunch of people are, or a few people, are put in a, basically an apartment building together. And they can't talk to each other. They can only communicate via a screen that like takes them to chats and stuff. And they never see each other. They never see anyone else aside from like the crew or whatnot, but they've got to like make friends and stay in. They've either got to play the game. There's different ways to play the game too. What is Circle? The Circle? Reality TV show. But they have to like make friends, and at the end of the day, I don't think every single day, but at the end of the day, they rate each other from like 1 to however many people they have in at the time. 1 to 7 or something. And the ones at the bottom are kind of risking getting kicked out, and the ones at the top make more decisions. They're called influencers. And now they've got an AI, or secret AI character that goes in and like talks to the rest of the real human people that are trying to win money for this. And it's actually going real well, the AI. I just gotten into when they were, they introduced them and they had them make like a rap and stuff, and his was one of the best rap. His introductory, and like the AI will speak out its thoughts like, I should make an alliance with Lauren because she was an influencer in the past week. And it feels like me and Lauren are starting to develop a good bond. That is very advantageous for me to win this game. Shit like that, and it's actually really cool. I love seeing the use of AI like that. And apparently, it's not like overseen by the producers or anything. It just kind of does it itself, left to its own devices. If they're telling the truth. Also, hello there, Kyle. Rocky left me and went to the beach with my parents. I bet he's having a fun time with his grandpa and his grandma. I want to go to the beach. I want to go get a sick tan. That should have been a hit. Rocky is Bloody's dog, Grove. Is a little pup. Rocky watches my stream with Bloody sometimes. And he says hi occasionally as well. Who kills you? What did it? See, now finally you have been brought into the loop. Congratulations, Grove. Okay, let's go. We gotta get them kills up. He does on his dog tablet. Oh, his sweet little dog tablet. He got some puppy apps. Yeah. Oh, sure, they stop every once in a while. What? What are they bitching about in chat? In game chat? Is that a... Okay. I'm pretty sure that bullet just hit me that I just shot. Need vacation? Vacations? Taking some in August? It's your birthday in August? You can come visit the US, Bloody. Would you be interested in something like that? I don't know if you've ever been, but... August 8th? Gang gang. Leo gang. Excuse me. Would love to visit, sure. I'm sure that would be fun. There's a lot to see in the United States. Grove still has to make his trip over here. Grove is gonna end up living over here. Yes, indeed, Bloody. Do you have a much better memory for birthdays than I do? Much, much better. I saw a man on the ground. He was dead. Okay. I love that. Are you sure? Positive. I'm gonna come with you to drag your ass back to EU. Lord. I remember birthdays a lot. Man, you have a superpower because I've wanted to be able to do that my entire life. People get offended that I do not remember their birthdays. And Lord have mercy, it is not happening. Are you, bitch? Damn it. No, wait. Hey. Fuck. I don't have a scope. Do I have a scope? Fucking get over it. Maybe I should put a scope on here. Let's do that. The 4 times? Oh. The 10 times? No, the 4 times. Let's do that. Put my faves in my Google Calendar. I have people's birthdays saved in Discord. Their Discord notes. It's actually really, really convenient too. Now, outside of... That's some bullshit. Outside of Discord, I just don't remember it. Except for my mother's, my father's, and my sister's. And then my best friends. Love both. Actually, US and EU are the best places to live in. United States a little bit. Whatever. But will it remind you though? No, actually. I mean, our little Discord bot we have in Discord, if you don't have your birthday there and you want to be told happy birthday on it, go put your Discord into my little bot. But we have that. That notifies us. Oh, you better be lucky. My reload takes absolutely forever. My re-rack. Definitely visit Louisiana one day. I want to see the original Popeyes. Oh, hell yeah. We got it. I don't know if you drink very much. I don't think you do you? New Orleans is a really nice place to be if you like to drink and let loose. It's kind of like... I don't know. You just go drink on the street. It's a real trashy version of Vegas. Not as impressive. But has all of the alcohol. Nice try, birthday employee. I still love that joke. If I ever visit the US, you will hang out with me, I hope? Yeah, actually. I absolutely would. Okay, I have to go tinkle and I will get myself another beer. I'm not quite finished with this one yet, but we'll be done with it soon. BRB. Hello? Did you just imply that I don't know what a Hallmark card is, Skunky? And you do drink, bloody? Oh, hell yeah. You'll have a lot of fun here then. Get a hand grenade, walk down Bourbon Street.
This allied agricultural research facility.
I was getting my meat off the grill.
The US plans to strong-arm the local government
Oh,
into
where are
handing
you?
over control to them. We cannot allow this.
Cool.
The navalized infantry force is en route to the facility. You must stop the Americans from claiming it. The battle is in
Jump
your
in
hands.
another squad if people want in. Oh, hell yeah. Get on the team. Maybe next year? Maybe next year. That would be really cool, actually. come pick me up? Yep. Thank you. Don't make me use my little legs. Didn't mean to take the spot. That's fine. Don't matter. First come, first serve. I don't know if anyone left and wanted to get back in, but if they did, I'll sort it out. Oh, shit. What happened there? Oh, I can't see. Oh, God, I'm getting sick. No, I'm fine. I almost killed me. KoalaCon. Oh, hell yeah. Let's all meet up in New Orleans, have a couple drinks together. Actually be really cool. Dude, that don't look fun. There any men up on this ridge yet? I completely missed that to begin with. When? I'm so down. No. Next year sometime? The koala, aka baby legs. Call me Dad. I don't like that ding name. I do have little legs though. I feel like I have a shorter torso than I do legs. I used to be friends with a chick that is like the exact same height as me, but she has different proportions. So she has like shorter legs and a longer torso. 1 year partner anniversary. Oh, hell yeah. That'd be a hell of a celebration. I always thought it was so interesting that people can be the exact same height and look so different, like, physically. What? Okay. I guess this is probably good for me. I hope that wasn't the same guy. Actually, I hope it was. That's friendly. Where are the enemies? Way back there. Got him. Game Bros, no! I wanted to... Okay, hello. Let's get a committee started? Oh, hell yeah. Oops. You revived the blueberry. He was behind me. That's in my past. We don't look to our past. We look to our future. The snipes that we can get in front of us. Oof. Out of range. Nope. Oh, same time. Shame on you. Shame on me. Let's go.
Our enemy is uncoordinated. We're keeping
Got some good snipes today. A little bit that we've been doing. There one up here? No. Where's that other dude sniping from? Is that him? I'm not proud of you anymore. Are you not proud of these snipes? Hup. Are you not entertained? Easy. No, not easy. No beaches in Louisiana that I want to go to. It's all mud. Yep, we got... is it Holly Beach? Holly Beach is like... It's been better in the last few years, I believe, but it got absolutely rickety wrecked by a few hurricanes. I think Katrina and Lily, maybe? But it has just been junk since then. I do think they cleaned it up, though. Definitely is not what it was. I have short arms and legs and a long torso. So, it took so long to learn how to deadlift. Any benefit to having like short arms? Do they look more buff? I bet they look more buff.
Our situation. Sector by sector.
Hello, ma'am. That was great. She had no idea. Ain't no beaches in the swamp. There is exactly one beach in the swamp. And it is a very unfortunate beach. Grass is out there. You have options in close islands. What? Oh, damn it. He didn't continue. I was trying to predict where he was going. Now, if you go a couple states over, or a single state over, no, a couple states over, you can get some pretty good beaches, but not here. How's your day been so far? Have any plans for the weekend? My day's been good so far. I've been feeling good. And then, tomorrow, I believe I'm gonna be hanging out with a friend. If not, I'm probably gonna be,
American troops are
knocking
showing
on
signs of
Juice's
attrition.
door or some shit. Yeah, you go to Alabama or Florida. Yeah, those are the near spots for that. Nothing good here. There are gorgeous beaches in Texas. Are you talking like Galveston and that area? I've only been to Galveston once, and that was me going there to get on a cruise to leave. So I basically just drove through, and that was it. Shorter arms, better for bench press. Oh, that's nice. Very convenient. You don't have to, I guess, press as far. Want to go get that pizza tonight, but rush hour traffic is going to be ridiculous. It's going to be worth it though, Ken. You're not going to remember the traffic that it took to get there. You're going to remember the lovely, delicious pizza that you get to shove into your mouth. Texas beaches, you got to go to Padre. Galveston sucks. I've never really been to any of them. So, South Padre area. Nice. Damn it. I've been to Texas more than any other state, but I feel like I've never been there. Feel like that should have hit. Come on, rack it. Rack ball. What the fuck is that from? Texas looks interesting. Texas is a lot. A lot of state to see, and a few different climates too, which I think is really interesting in one state. It's already interesting enough that the United States has so many climates to begin with, and then Texas has like 3 of them. I'm scared. Never been to the Gulf beaches, but I have a lot of friends that have. I don't know. Nope. I hit it. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell no. It's not the right one to hit. Not really sure what a long torso is good for. I don't know either. Be out of it. Let's go. I'm only a little bit messed up from that. No, he's good. He's fine. He can stay up there. I've never been to Holly Beach, but I heard it's nasty. And it has been for a good long time. Anything else? Orange Beach is pretty nice. That little area in Alabama. I liked Fort Walton Beach was really, really nice. But ocean beaches are always so much better. I like the water a lot better. The Gulf beaches are just... they're all gonna be kind of nasty water. It does not look good. It almost looks like bayou out on the coast. It makes sense. It's really, really shallow. At least around the... maybe long torso is good for eating. Being eaten or storing a lot of food? Eating. Because crawfish is good eating. But I don't know if that's the way you said it. Where are you hiding? I really thought that was a headshot. Man, I can't aim with this thing. Digesting. Longer way to digest. Oh. That didn't hit. That did. In the crotch. Didn't do enough. DJ, you're not allowed in Louisiana. It has been decided. What fish? Crawfish. It's crayfish. Anywhere that says it wrong. Another one? I don't know if that caught. I don't think it caught. I have to like talk during it. Blech. What kind of fish is that? It's a shellfish. So they're like the little mini tiny lobsters. Crowfish? Craw. Craw. Not crow. Crow. Craw. I'm okay with that. Didn't like it when I was there anyway. Honestly, you're not missing out on very much. It is like the lamer Texas. I'll go grab one too. Oh, hell yeah. Cheers. I forgot to do it. Are they delicious? They are so delicious. But they take so much for you to actually feel full off of them. Oh shit, hello? They're fantastic, and you dip them in some real good sauce for them too. They do not taste like dirt if you clean them. If you don't purge them, sometimes they taste like dirt, but usually not.
American forces have occupied Echo Sector.
TJ's just had shitty crawfish. That's all I can imagine. Like a dirty rubber band. You have not had seasoned crawfish. No, but really, it depends on who you have boil them. Because people boil them like vastly different ways. Some don't season the water that they're being boiled in. Some only season like the shell on the outside after it's boiled. And those taste like rubber band. But not if you actually season the water. Cook the like potatoes and the corn in the water. Delicious. Some good ass corn too. Do you at least like the corn, TJ, when it's cooked in the seasoning? There we go. I was ready. Shit, I gotta go. Have fun. Dealing with the fact that I let them know we were here. Just running around in here with the NTW. Let's get rid of this. No! I missed! Was I teabagging myself or was someone else teabagging me? Are they like lobster? They're not exactly like lobster, but they look like them. They look like small versions of them. Got their claws. They're red. They got their tails.
Hostiles control more sector.
What did you ask me? If you like the corn that gets boiled in the crawfish boil stuff. Because I really, really like crawfish boil, like flavoring, seasoning. Tastes like crab boil.
Bravo sector now belongs to us.
That shit is good. Thank you for the alert, Grove. See you later. Please, bracket. Jesus Christ. Bolt. What do folks think of Old Bay seasoning? So I've barely had Old Bay seasoning, but it tastes fine. I think it has like a little bit of salt in it too, right? I find it a little bit salty. Old Bay is good for seafood though, isn't it? Not a huge fan of it, but it's good on crab. Yeah, I think it's kind of like a seafood centric seasoning. How do y'all feel about Tony's? I don't actually like Tony's Sashery seasoning unless it's the low sodium one, because they put so much fucking salt. That's all I can taste in that seasoning. I'm so picky when it comes to seasoning. Old Bay goat. Old Bay's not too bad. What are the other ones? There's Slap You Mama, which isn't too bad. I like Slap You Mama. So good, isn't it? It'll make you slap your mama. Oh my god, come on. Fuck with Tony. What? What? I use Cajun turkey butter injection for my fried turkeys. Oh, hell yeah. I used to love playing with like turkey basters and stuff. But I love being able to inject the seasoning right into my meat. I know what I did. T-Rex strikes again. I can't help it. It looks just as ridiculous in person. Old Bay is good on chicken as well. Really? I think I would mix it with another seasoning to put it on chicken. I wouldn't do just Old Bay.
We're dominating the battlefield. Maintain your position.
No. Tony's has a very, very specific flavor. You answered your... I missed it. I don't like corn much, but I've eaten the sausage and potatoes from a crawfish boil. I just don't like the bugs. I don't like the potatoes as much. I got those little red potatoes. Honestly, people say that the red potatoes are the best potatoes ever. And I don't know. I feel like I may just have problems with the... Hello, sir. the fact that I'm eating like the skin too. Kind of fuck with Wendy's. I like Wendy's. Like truly. No jokes. Baconator, absolute godsend. I would hurt myself and then refrigerate rest. Hello. I thought you were an enemy at first. Yellow potatoes are good for boiling. I love potatoes. So yellow potatoes are really, really good for mashed potatoes. Brown potatoes are really good for fries and stuff because of their size. But the yellow potatoes are always going to be the best for the mashed potatoes. Potato wedges, yes. Ow. They're gonna get you. It don't matter. No, but I really, really like Wendy's. I will hoard a Baconator. I'll like savor it. I say I'd hurt myself on it. I will eat most of it and then save the flavor for later. Have like a few bites for later just so I can enjoy it again. Is the dad joke of the day complete and I missed it, or is the punchline pending? The dad joke of the day is complete. Look at it a little bit harder. Don't tell him. Don't tell him. Let him figure it out. Oh god. The turning radius on that thing is admirable. Wendy's is overall my favorite fast food. Agreed. Full agree. Hello there, Faz, by the way. It's nice to see you. What you been up to? When he had a hot honey chicken, it was the best. Ooh, hot honey chicken. Now, if you have the opportunity when you're down in the deep south to have a Whataburger honey butter chicken biscuit, that shit is crack. It's amazing. I would survive solely off of honey butter chicken biscuits from Whataburger. Let me just shill real quick. I'm not getting paid, but I should be for all these endorsements. Where is he? There he is. So I'm feeling a little bit sporty with this thing today. I'm happy. I didn't know what kind of glitch space I just teleported out to, but I was scared. Wendy's breakfast is also the best. I've never eaten Wendy's for breakfast. And Wendy's even has like the best chicken nuggets too. And their sauces. Amazing. I'm in the north. Oh no, you don't get the lovely Whataburger. I do really like Whataburger's burgers. Because I am very much of the opinion that burgers should be wider, not taller. And they do it the best. Along with Sonic. They've got some really wide burgers. With a headshot. I didn't need that. Wait. Be gone with you. Their chili's fire. I have had their chili. I haven't been like super duper impressed with it, but solid. I like to add a bunch of stuff to my chili. And I don't know, I don't feel like chili is a fast food thing. But I don't see why it couldn't be. My brain just can't get out of the thing of like, I don't want to order chili at a fast food restaurant. BK is solid for the croissant witch breakfast. Dude. Burger King onion rings. Somehow, I wish... Never mind, I'm not gonna go that hard with it, but... The onion rings. The onion rings are amazing. The peak. And that zesty sauce, I didn't used to like the zesty sauce, but... Ooh, boy. It is not... The onion rings are not complete without that shit now. TJ says he's white. He has all these different cultures that make him him, and they are all white. Don't worry, boo, me too. It's mostly German and Swiss. What? What the fuck is happening? Put the zesty on the rodeo burger? I've never had the rodeo burger. White AF. Yeah, I don't even know why I got the 23andMe whole set. I knew that I would just be fucking white. Hold on, let me see if I could possibly capture this on camera.
Anything to recapture our sectors.
They've just
Let's
taken
see.
Delta sector.
23andMe. Old. If you like the Battlefield gameplay, I'm sorry. I had someone say they used reused meat for the Wendy's chili. Reused from like how long ago though? Oh, there's updated results. I'm whiter. I'm more German. Shit. Wait, no, that's French. That's French. Oh god, I'm just everywhere in Europe. Jesus Christ, TJ. Oh no, I can't show y'all. Maybe I can. I'm gonna put my hand right here. You can't see any of my information. I am 100% European, French, German, British, and Irish. I had to hold it like that so I could keep my my thumb on it without showing y'all my last name. What is that? 23andMe? You're asking what is 23andMe? It's a company that takes your spit and pulls the genetics out of your DNA and like compares them to a bunch of different others. So they tell you like a bunch of scientific data on where you're from and your health risks and stuff like that. Your predisposed things. It can tell you if you're more likely to have like brown hair or blonde. Last name is Koalapin. Last name is Finn. Did you take an ancestry test? I took the 23andMe, not the ancestry, because I wanted the health whatever. They go through and they check your likelihood of like having these certain diseases and certain tendencies that might come from your genetics, like a different way of tasting or your likelihood to have like straight or curly hair, shit like that, which is just kind of cool to see. But if you don't know your parents, just say you're adopted or something, it's really, really good for shit like that because you don't know your family genetic history. So like you don't know if your parents may have had heart disease that runs in the family or stuff like that. So it's really, really beneficial for them. Your name is Finn. My name is Finn. Koala Finn. Exactly. Beautiful. I thought you were more of a koala. I'm white. Wendy's chili comes pre-made in a big plastic bag from the manufacturer. That doesn't surprise me. Yeah, I didn't figure it was reused meat. But the horror stories that people tell me about working in fast food places, I don't know. I'm gonna pretend that I didn't hear it so I can still eat fast food without a little voice in the back of my head saying, okay. So I have an inside joke with one of my friends that's like, the straw, it has paper on it. The cup, it probably came out of paper. The lid probably came out of paper. But they've got to touch like the lid before giving you your drink. How long did it take to get the results? Maybe a month or something? DK, you kind of remind me of my dad, and I don't want to talk about this story in front of you. I don't want to talk about this inside joke. I'm gonna continue on. Anyway, it's completely fine. So me and my friend had that inside joke. Everything's wrapped up except for lids, and he was just pointing out like how many people have touched that, and like what were they doing before, and we just eventually ended up getting to the point that we coined the term coochie lid, and now every time someone like takes a sip of like that little bit of leftover soda you get from popping a straw into a cup, it's just putting your mouth straight on coochie lid. Anyway, there are always horror stories, most of which that come from disgruntled employees and customers. My friend said that's kind of the same. Shit, when I used to work at McDonald's, people served burgers off the ground. You know, that's the kind of shit I hear from like everyone. Also, DK, please come back. I love you. It's my issue to bear, not yours. What kind of shithole town you living in where people do that? People do that around here too. I am living in a shithole state. Coochie lid. You just ruined everything. You're welcome. So now every time we see anyone take a little sip off the lid, we're like, yeah. At least they give you your straws wrapped in paper and stuff, or plastic. Alabama, close enough. Close enough. It was a shortened story. That was a long conversation to end up with that. I need to do this little number. Please reload the gun while you're putting on the scope, because you can do that. You have 5 hands. If you are really curious, Louisiana. Yay. The Bayou State. Florida's got the Everglades. We've got just fucking Bayou. First offense is someone scratched their... That's what we were talking about. That in less words. No, and every time I get a fast food, I'm gonna lick the lid and take a picture and post it in your Discord. I can't fucking wait. I can't wait to see you do that to yourself. I don't like ice in my drinks. I've worked on ice machines. Oh yeah, I've heard that ice machines are disgusting. But some places do clean them out pretty often. Just like their drink machines. Woo! Bye. Ooh, he's still alive. I'm not. I like it dirty. You like, honestly, we've seen some of the people that work at fast food places. I don't know if you'd want to be anywhere near that general area. Have to get a special license to handle and serve food here. Oh, that sounds a lot nicer than what it is here. What kind of town doesn't just make food at home? I mean, I make food at home, but there's fast food too, which is very convenient when you've had a long, long day at work. They ain't shit floating in my drink, I'm good. Do you ever check it though? Do you ever take the cap off and check it? Because I don't. I don't want to know. If it tastes funky, I'm gonna spit it out and throw the whole thing out. But do you really know? Ah, shit. I can't do that with this gun. Hip fire does not work out with me. Here, bitch. Wait until I re-rack this thing. Also worked in a bar for over 20 years. That shit is vile. Ooh. Oh, yeah. I can't wait to think about that at the bar. Spoiler alert, I'm not going to. I'm gonna be drunk. Texas is very strict on that stuff. I don't think Louisiana has very many laws for that. But I may be wrong. I've never worked in, like, fast food or anything. I was about to say, it's right behind that guy. How did he not die and I did? He did die. I'm wrong. There's a man over here. Or there was. Unless he's dead.
Maintain your positions.
Man? Sir? No? The other went back, or... Are you being forced to use the NTW? No, why? I'm actually just having fun with it on Hourglass. Since we're on Hourglass again. I guess we were on, Oh, hello. I'm gonna get him eventually. We were on... God, what is that called? I'll tell you kids about the time I installed rooftops at the Elmsford Coca-Cola bottling plant. That sounds like it would be from Fallout. Oh. Just wondering what you gotta say, DK. You think I'm doing good with it? Do I suck with it? Tell me, I need feedback. Oh god. Working in restaurants and bars, we were required to clean and sanitize everything daily, including ice machines and soda machines. Now the thing is, I think we're required to do that here. I don't think people care as much as they should. Rain and duck and goose shit in the... Inside or the roof? Hell better than me. The NTW just speaks to me for some reason. I think it's just that it's a one-shot. I've always been good at flicking. Oh, the ADS speed is a little bit rough though. Required versus doing it are two different things. That's how we get shit in Louisiana done. Required versus actually done. Never happens. Spoiler alert. We're waiting because of rain for like a week straight. Ooh. Gross. Nasty, nasty rain. Huh. He actually... Did he back up for him? Let me on. What? I think he was trying to... Oh, he was trying to tag, Golf 1. I don't need to call it that. That sounds nerdy. Ugh. Look at him inspected by management. It got done. That's a 250K fine for the restaurant and you lose your job. Guess who doesn't care? Anyone here. I don't like sniping in 2042. It feels awful. It doesn't feel as good as other sniping games. I feel like there's not enough drop on it. Like there is a fair amount of drop if you're on like one of these buildings or something, but I feel like I can just point and click at them. Or slide if you stick around for a little bit, maybe. We're working right over the mixers. Oh, disgusting. No, no. I knew I was gonna die. Deal? Awesome. Deal then. NTW is not sniping, it's dino hunting. Honestly, not too far off. A 50 cal running around with, I mean, on this map I'm running around with a 4x scope, but on any other closer range map, I'm running around with it with an iron sight on it. Because the iron sights are actually not too bad. Quoting chat though, yes. And that was really, really cute. We're hunting dinos like in Torah. They poured duck shit, goose shit, metal, gravel, tar, everything else into them. I really hope they cleaned them after that. Ugh. Jesus Christ. There we go. I think that was both of them. Them tags are everything. Told them to stop, but they told us they had a schedule and kept going. Dude, that is fucking nuts. When was this? Oh. Food poisoning is not that common from restaurants. Is it really not? Because I feel like it happens, and it happens like fairly commonly. Maybe like 1 in 100 times. Thank you, Vamp. That's a desk. Your gameplay is awesome and you're really pretty. Thank you, Force Line. I don't usually pick up the NTW, but when I just kind of feel like one-shotting people, that's what we end up doing. And my tracking abilities haven't been that great today, admittedly. TJ. Why? Almost 30 years ago now? Okay, that's what I was thinking. That does really sound like a while ago type of thing. I'm sure it still happens. Plenty enough, but that definitely sounds like some shit that they'd say a while ago. Things were a little bit more lax. Your game closed? Oh shit, Felipe. That sucks. My bad.
Stay safe, squad leader.
Oh damn.
Our troops have captured Echo Sector.
First you make me do math
Well done. We have secured
with the dad joke of the day. Now this. I'm schizophrenic, I swear. I'm not. He's real. Okay. I want to clip that, and I want to see that later on. So I looked... I don't know if y'all caught that like I did, but I looked at the escalators and saw someone standing there just like randomly. I walked past and came back and they were gone. I was like, I'm going crazy. I'm absolutely going crazy. There was someone there. Lovely. You saw it, Mark. Fuck my brain up. Oh, we've got such a long run to A1. I don't think we're gonna make it there. We could just sit at C1 and repel the force. Oh, yes. No, you're full. You're helping? Are you really? Are you ever really helping? Hello? Oh, hell yeah. Good shout, Mark. Thank you for gifting a sub to Skizzo. At least they have one now. Were they here? Did I imagine them? Has EA Dice contacted you now that you're a partner? No. They have not. I don't think they will be. They probably got all their content creator people all wrapped up now. I don't know. Were they here? You tell me. I don't know. I don't know if anything's for sure. Ow. Pain. Oh, you got a clip of it. Thank you. With the dad joke of the day? I'm not. He's real. Now this. The dad joke of the day? Okay, I missed it the first time around. Oh, I saw her spawn. I'm schizophrenic, I swear. I'm not. Oh man, I love that. I knew I saw something. Honestly, Skunky, the one I ask more often is, am I having a stroke? I feel like TJ, close your ears. I feel like I kind of have a speech impediment or something sometimes. Like his female partner who's Battlefield streamer, they should for sure. I agree. I think it would be a good idea for him, but I don't want to like hype myself up. Dude disappeared like he's envisaged. Yeah. He was just gone by the time I came back. It was scary. I did a lot of work. Good night. We know that's a hot topic. Please don't tell him. He's gonna think of me differently. He's gonna have intense hatred for me. Where are these people? Hello? Oh, there you are. Okay. I got something for you.
We've received reports of a massive sandstorm
Oh, shit. Too early. No. Hey, look. This is a 1v1 fight. See your way out of it. Have you played Visage this last weekend? I did. Yes, this past weekend. Good night. I don't know if that was the same one. It was not. As it turns out. Oh, come on. Get him, Ron. No! I can't hit him! Expect a Koalapin skin next game? Maybe I'll get a charm out of it. He was distracted. I'm not gonna... I don't feel good about that one. Ask myself if I'm having a mental breakdown almost... Hello? On a daily basis? Yeah. It feels like it. It feels like it a lot. Battlefield, the return of the Koalapin. 2025. It'll just stop working. Oh, Lord. Tink, tink. I love the sound of this gun, but it sucks ass. You can't do nothing now. Oh, get out of here. Get out of here. I didn't do it. Come on, let's go. Let's roll. Senor Menace, thank you for the follow. I'm completely okay with a re-release of Battlefield 4 with a good anti-cheat and active community. You know, man, the longer and longer I've been in like the Battlefield scene and everything, or 2042, the more I'm just like, give the player base what they want, just re-release the maps. Like, everyone bitches about Nuketown being released for the 15th time or whatever, but just release Locker again. Metro, please. Caw, thank you for the follow. I feel like Metro would feel fairly good with these. I didn't hit it. Oh, there he goes. Yes, Metro, missed that map. Yeah. If they would just re-release it, I think it would be such a fucking hit.
Victory is ours, no pats.
I just want Pearl Market, my beloved map. I don't remember Pearl Market. High flying, indeed. Pearl Market. Hold on. Pearl Market. Battlefield 4. Right? Oh, I don't like Pearl Market. So I really, really like urban stuff, but this is... The streets are confusing for me. Maybe that's just because I haven't played it all that much and I just got back into like Battlefield 4 every once in a while, but I don't know. How about some maps from Battlefield 2? The King Oil Field? I never played Battlefield 2, so I don't know any of the maps. Flood Zone? Flood Zone I liked. It was complicated, but I really liked it. As a person who does not openly shit on their game every time you play, they in the least should reach out and be accommodating to you. Scotty, I have opinions about the fact that they're using people that like just constantly shit on the fucking game all the time for their content creator group. Like that sounds like the stupidest thing they can do. Let's go back to satellite. That wouldn't be a bad idea. I was probably having a little bit more fun on stadium. Gonna head out and figure out food, have good dinner, Zaber. Sleep well, have a good evening. I like the way the soldiers run in Battlefield 4. I think it's funny. Dude, when you see them, I had completely forgotten about it. But when you see them, they're like highlight behind walls and shit, they look ridiculous. And the first time I played it in like the year 2024, I died laughing. Locker can die in a fire. Give me Battlefield 3 Aftermath maps. I like Locker. It's pretty good. Definitely Pearl Market. It's okay. I think I just need to learn it. Hello there, Mecca. Pearl Market has the perfect mix of narrow streets, verticality, and fun mixed in one place.
Everyone, ready up.
I could really see it being a good map. Have a plan here, don't ruin it. I'm sorry. Golf and Omen. Golf of Omen. Do we have Golf of Omen in here?
Join our next deployment and mount an
How dare you? I'm just saying. Also fell in love with Battlefield. Oh my god, I just cracked my back in like 15 different places. Do I have that many vertebrae? Also fell in love with Battlefield 1 after I kind of avoided it for some time. I think it's the most polished game they put out. It was made by a completely... No, never mind. I'm thinking of something completely different. But you did it. You did what? If you make a competitive FPS that's dog shit, you deserve to be ridiculed. Yeah, but... you know, from their point of view, it's not very good. It's not a very good decision. I didn't really like Battlefield 1 all that much. I think it was just the World War I games that I didn't care for. The guns and the vehicles and everything like that. But I've come to appreciate it a little bit more as I've gotten older, and I'm wondering if maybe revisiting Battlefield 1 would be a good idea for me. But doesn't have a lot of cheaters and everything right now, just like Battlefield 5 does. Everyone says Hardline was actually a fun game.
Take them down and secure your objectives.
A
The captured sector Alpha.
Hardline doesn't feel like Battlefield. I'd be better at this game if I was consistent and not take days or weeks off. Yeah, it definitely takes some practice. Or at least you have to be on like another FPS to be able to keep yourself fresh and everything. Just shouldn't have the Battlefield name. I feel that way. Like, I don't have any problem with it having it, but it doesn't feel like it. Ow. Doesn't feel like it should.
Success! One down.
We control the facility.
No!
Good job.
I had a task. I fixed my keyboard, opened the whole thing and cleaned it and changed some keys out. Now it does not say. Well, that's a good thing. I didn't know that it was doing that. Congratulations, Madman. You are a mechanic. You are an IT specialist. No longer a judge. You have changed your career paths. Grey Zone is visually stunning, but worst game launch I've seen yet. Dude, it takes so much for Shroud to be like, no, don't buy this game. And that dude is, every time someone asks about that game, he's like, don't buy it. Don't do it. I think the main issue people had with Hardline was the cops versus robbers aspect. It's not Battlefield without soldiers. Exactly. No, wait. From everything I've seen, Hardline's gameplay was great. A good mix of Battlefield 3 and 4. I've heard that it was like a really good game, just that it didn't need the Battlefield name. When I had seen it originally, I was like, this is DLC. They're adding like a couple game modes to something. It ended up not being the case, but that's the impression that I got off of it. Nerd, your mama. Well, that wasn't towards me. I couldn't see the reply. Honestly, it is fair play just calling me a nerd randomly. Hardline was closer to GTA than Battlefield. Y'all remember GTA 4 online? That Cops and Robbers was pretty fun. Had to fix it, OCD, and get it done. Get it done. BitConnect. People still aren't watching up here as much as they should. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but people are gonna always be sat up here. Eventually. That was a sniper, wasn't it?
We are hitting Bravo 1.
Oh, that's nice. Battlefield 4 Cops. Oh. It's made by the same studio that made Dead Space? It makes sense why it's a good game then, just not the same. GTA Online was so good, but so bad. Dude, it was so bad and so fun. Delicious. Oh, hey.
Give me an update.
We're executing the plan, holding
I don't know who
sector.
Tommy is. Hey. Ooh, there we go. Visceral. You saying visceral made me remember about Viscera cleanup detail. I was obsessed with watching that game. Just a little side, not to distract off of the Battlefield talk, but don't get me started with people not paying attention.
Troop by troop, they're paying a price. Keep it up. We've taken Sector Bravo.
It could be me. It could be me on the battlefield, soldier.
The initiative is
Not
ours.
paying a damn bit of attention. Who is Tommy? I have no idea. But they said hello, so. What?
Hello, squad leader.
Who are you? I've never seen that screen name. Bought them out and shut them down. Battlefield 3 will be the pinnacle of the series for me until they make something better or the franchise dies. No, wait. Oh god, you see, I'm not paying attention. They went against the higher ups in Dead Space? Ooh. I don't know about this drama. Or something like that. Give me the drama. Watching you play is making me load the game back up. I'm done working on the PC for now. Do it. Do it. You know you want to.
Now under our control. They're hitting FO1 hard.
You don't need to work. Live, laugh, Battlefield.
Good work.
I am, hell yeah. Hoo. I kept. Not a single hit.
Sector is under our control.
prostitute, but I got bills. Who needs those? Who needs a house? You just go to the local library. Install Battlefield. Vibe. I don't know if you can install things on library computers. I don't think there's a lot of difference between Hardline and other Battlefield games. Well, it wasn't like... Battlefield's always been about nameless soldiers on the battlefield. Or named soldiers eventually, but Hardline doesn't feel like the same premise, I think they're saying. Actually working on the next title? Potentially a good thing? Question mark? No!
Fall into hostiles.
I just bring my 4 screens, one being a 49-inch curve. Send that to me, please. I need a good monitor. Dropping ball on this one developer indie game blowing up left and right. Yeah, dude, it is the year of the indies. Last year at least. From like Baldur's Gate and BattleBit and all that. Really, really good. We saw a really good uptick in quality. Indie games, Lethal Company. Yeah. Off to watch Shogun. Have fun, Ken. What episode are you on? To the library. Oh, nice. Some of the game direction, the higher ups wanted one way and the developers said nah, then no more, unfortunately. That fucking sucks. Publishers are like the worst thing to happen to gaming. Sure, they give them a lot of money and they can make bigger, better games off of it, but they've gotten to the point where they just have their fucking devs in a stranglehold and won't let them do anything. Oh, you need 2 years to work on this product? Oh, you get like 6 months. Sorry, fuck you. We want our money now. It's my money and I need it now. Ridiculous. Criterion made Battlefield 1. They also made Battlefront 2 and most of the NFS games. There are ones that are now in charge of the new Battlefield game. Or Doom. We'll see. I wonder if DICE has been beat around enough, or whoever, EA maybe, has been beat around enough that they're actually just gonna let the developers do. Or they might have a heavier hand because they think that they're gonna fuck it up. We'll see. Manor Lords is made by one singular guy. Yep. Lethal Company is made by one singular guy. No. Gonna play. Hope to see you on the battlefield. Hell yeah. Sure, Caw. Sounds good. Beep, 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 beep. Come on, let's go. And then the bosses give the devs shits when fans complain the game is ass and wants refunds. Yeah. You have 2 months to work on this year-long thing. There you go. Oh shit, you fucked it up. Fired. Insane. You better get up. Come here. Oh god, you really can't turn that fast as Dozer, can you? Need to go out? Bye, Felipe. Have a good rest of your day. Or night. Or whenever. Hello guys, I am just a regular enemy. Damn it. Someone saw through my ruse. Have a great whenever. Yep. Have a great stream. I think wife and I are gonna walk the falls here in Nigeria. Niagara? Jesus Christ, what the fuck is my brain coming up with? It's a Niagara. Have a fun time, Call. I just can't take myself away from Manor Lords. Dude, I want to try it so bad. I played a lot of Banish, which I feel like Banish feels a lot like the general RTS type part of it. But I know that there's some more to that game. I haven't watched very much of it, but... Nike. Look. The beer. Maybe. I think my brain was already like this, though. It just hadn't malfunctioned as heavily. I'm a Canuckle. Gonna play first, still at work? Nice. Get after it. That does sound like a really nice hike or walk location to just casually have. Nope. My aim has started to give. Oh yeah, it's gone. Oh god. Hello. Come here. Oh no, never mind. You're there. You're here. All over. Oh, that's a dozer. Get a trial on Game Pass. Girl's like one. Oh, you're right. I didn't know it was on Game Pass. Ow, you bitch. And that would actually probably do pretty well for me because I don't stick on those games for very long, but I do really, really enjoy them when I start them. I just get kind of bored of them quickly. Beer just brings out the true abilities and feelings. I am blaming it on the alcohol. I mean, it's not too far off my regular shit though, so we're not surprised, are we? Rosenberg F. Thank you for the follow. Or something like that. Should be more to business than focusing on money. It would be nice. It would produce a lot better products. I need to start paying attention. Hold on. Get ourselves out of this bullshit. Over there? Over here? Where? Stream that shit. I'd watch the footage out of that. That would be really fun. I think that's a little bit out of my wheelhouse though. Yo, RV. How's it? RV. I don't want to say that was your fault. It was definitely my fault. Hello there, RV. Welcome in.
Nearly every sector. Do not give the Russians a chance to take that back.
I basically sat on that thing. Come here. Come here. Come here. You're going out of bounds. Oh no. I lost it.
All hostiles retreating.
I was gonna give him that support pack if it was the last thing I did. The effects of beer are probably more studied than any other substance, probably. Alcohol is very, very common. I respect the dedication. Thank you. Oh shit. I can feel this thing leaning again. Hold. We'll play one more game. Okay, come on. Please stop. Okay. All right. Let's just, you know what? Wait. One more indeed. My mic is still working completely off the table, by the way. And this is going really, really well. I can't turn it with one hand. This is a poor idea. Ooh, stop it, please. It's fucking me up. Come on. I need to fix this after stream. Ah, there we go. That's a little bit better. It's not gonna swing into my face again. Gotta get you a new boom arm, dude. It's such a fucking non-issue. They're like, no cursing. It's such a non-issue. They're so cheap. I just need to suck it up and buy one. One slot in party if someone wants to join for the last game. Make that Amazon wish list. I wish I could make the Amazon wish list, but I don't have any interest in everyone knowing the city I live in. because they can get that through Amazon wishlist. Now through Throne, however, which I do have a Throne. I don't have it linked. I'm sorry. I still haven't gotten that done. Every time I think about what I can do with stream, I never think about Throne.
Be prepared to infiltrate and destroy
I just
the
need to
American
link it
defense.
here and there, and that would be it. It would take me like 3 seconds. $100 for a boom ain't exactly cheap, but they solid. I was looking at one yesterday that was $100, and that wasn't too great for me. I don't know if I want to pay $100 for a fucking arm, but I've got to be careful with the ones that I get because my desk is kind of weird, and it has like maybe this little tiny bit of a lip, and then behind that is a metal bar. So I can't put it on the lip. I can't put it on the metal bar because it's too thin and it's too far back. So I have them on little shims. I made some little shims, and they're the perfect size for it. Worked on the vehicle game. Damn. It's a little bit warm in here. Am I getting red? Look at my ears. My ears are getting red. The tiniest little bit of alcohol, and these things are like fire hydrants. Loading, just not into the game. No, pale as ever. Well, you'd be wrong. My ears are a bright shade of apple.
Steady, I have got you.
Where? Oh. There he is. Found him.
Just hold on.
Battlefield Racing coming fall 2025. Dude, I wouldn't. I'm not so pale anymore. Who's working? Who's is working? They're somewhere in there. I'm being very, very sneaky with my laser sight that's probably poking out. Come here. Come here. Why are you still alive?
The enemy has captured Delta Sector.
No. Who? What? Most people get hella red cheeks. The ears is a new one for me. I get really, really red cheeks. I just have foundation on, so you don't see it. But you can see the redness in my ears. Kicked in Q? Jesus Christ. Dice, get your shit together. Cheeks are not red from the beer this time. I always wear blush, but... Nope, nothing. Not too much, at least. Maybe on the little apples of my cheek. Hello? Sir,
Tending the wounded.
I hate you.
You'll hurt tomorrow.
Battlefield Need for Burnout, dude. I actually would love if they added shit like racing into Battlefield. I think it'd be a cute little like Portal game mode. You poked him? I poked him in the face. He shouldn't respawn.
We're taking significant losses.
We are doing amazing. Yay. Things are not going so well so far. This is sliding back.
Alpha Sector.
Stop it. I hate it. I hate this arm. It's not even like really falling off or anything. It's just, all right, you crazy. Oh God, fucked it up. Please, please. All right. It says stream is over. Fix me. I'm in a 2-person squad. Okie dokie. We'll see you out there. Let me actually... Hey, Ron. If you're listening, can you kick Mr. Anime Bum out of the squad so we can get Scotty in here? Might stand with its own mind. It is fucking with me. We're good. We're good. That arm needs to hit the gym. Be like me. Whoa. Strong. Everyone should forget Portal existed. I'll just delete 2042 off the face of the earth. Man. I feel like it's... If someone else would have made it, if they didn't put the Battlefield name on it, it would probably be a lot more loved than it is now. I really didn't think there'd be someone right there. Look at those guns. Concealed carry. Ooh. Portal should have been the saving grace of the franchise. If only they would have done it the correct way. If only. They just didn't fucking care about it. They don't care about any sort of like community feedback, I feel. You tell them exactly what you want to see and they're just like, but do you want it to be not that? Like nothing near that, maybe? And they're like, why are you not happy? Why are you not giving us any more money? We're not going to update the game if you're not going to give us money. And then they just don't fucking listen. Right. Tight, 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 tight. Oh, God. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. It's not going to be touched. If you can't tell, I'm fed up with DICE's bullshit. Yeah, it seems it. But yeah, I think if they didn't name this Battlefield, people would enjoy it as a game. Maybe not stuck with it quite as long, but... I'm not touching it. Mm-mm. Not happening. Never touching it again. Hardcore modes and 8 XP farms. Look, don't hate on my hardcore modes. I really like hardcore modes. You look at a person and they're dead hardcore modes do not bring me joy though. And that is what most of them are. Like I want a reasonable amount of hardcore like COD has. Portal could have been awesome if DICE played their cards right. Yeah, if they, again, did what the community was telling them to do. Sniping in hardcore so satisfying. I love running with it. Okay, so with COD, I ran around with Diamotes. Of course, I know, it is cheap. It's cheesy, but it's real fun. I did it with other guns too, but the Diamotes were real good. Good morning, Goldfrag. It is late. Hello. How are you doing? How'd you sleep? Now I'm in Battlefield. COD Hardcore was fun to run and gun. Yeah, I was talking about Battlefield needing to make their, or well, the Portals needing to make their hardcore more like COD instead of you fucking step on someone's toe and they're dead. That doesn't have any sort of fun aspect to it. Your morning? Good morning. We are having a little bit of a brew. I don't know if I hydrated. Here you go, girl. Okay. I need a nap. I think a nap would be nice. Oh, you're a bitch. How am I not hearing anyone anymore? You need 4 White Claws? I don't need 4 White Claws. I need 4 Twisted Teas. And that would be everything complete. The world would be right again if Koala had 4 Twisted Teas in her fridge right now. Hit you in the foot at 500 meters with a 1911 dead? Yeah. That's how most of the Battlefield hardcore modes tend to go. Take a nap? I might. I very much might. Now, the problem that I have is I can't sleep with makeup on. I have contacts. And it's not just a case of like, it'll smudge a little bit. It's like, it'll get in my contact and fuck it up. struggling bad. Oof. This map is hard to hear, people. Do you have any audio? I don't have anything set up, no. I haven't set up, like... I mean, I've got earbuds, so nothing's really tweaked. Twisted tea? Twisted tea. It's a seltzer. I'm an old man. I nap often. I wish I could nap more often than I do, but I just can't get to sleep. I have so much trouble sleeping at night. I slept well, though. Thank you for asking. I'm glad you slept well. Those bed bugs didn't get you. Jesus. No bringing back CDef. And then we're all good. Why are you? Why didn't you? What? All right, I need to stop moving. I have a 2-year-old. Sleep is an issue. Oh yeah. The 2-year-olds are sleep eaters. My friend has a 2-year-old right now, and she just goes. That little lady does not sit down. Twisted tea sounds good. It is so good. So I don't know if y'all know about like those brisk iced teas or the Minute Maid iced teas that come in a can. It tastes almost exactly like that with just like the tiniest hint of like, this is an alcoholic drink. Other than that, you can completely forget that you're drinking alcohol, and it is so dangerous. so very dangerous. For Mardi Gras, I had one that was like, I don't even know how much alcohol that was, but it was a big tall can of twisted tea. That was the first time I had it. I didn't pace myself, and I was just fucking going for it. It was nice. I think that was the only drink that I ended up with for Mardi Gras, but Aaron Palmer version. Arnold? Is that something that I don't know about? No. Hey, you see, I was just saying that people were gonna figure out that you can sit up there. And lo and behold, the map is ruined.
We have captured all of Charlie Sector.
You're good to hear. So good. It's so tough. My girl does not stop moving. My friend has the same issue. She is just, if she is awake, she is like going. She's not sitting. She's not laying. She is on her feet and she is sprinting around. We took her to the park the other day, and it was so hard to corral her into a place that she was interested in. Like, she wanted to be there. But still, she lost her focus every 3 seconds and ended up just trying to, like, make a run for it like a drunk person. No! Arizona brand of Arnold Palmer is lit AF. It sounds good. I haven't had an Arnold Palmer before, but... what's up, dog? Gold brag? There you go. Skunky got it. 2-year-olds got that crackhead energy. Dude, they don't have any, like, sort of limit on them. They'll nap for, like, 2 minutes, and they're good for, like, 3 hours. I wish I was like that. I didn't have to sleep all goddamn night. They could just take a little nap and be good for the rest of the day. That was painful. It was a little bit painful. Ew. Ron is the MVP here, and I am negative. Tactical Ferg, thank you for the follow. Okie dokie, guys. Well, that is gonna be it for me. Thank you for playing with me if you did today. Let's find someone to raid then. I got the burps. I got the beer burps. Now we need to take our daily multivitamin tonight. Thank you, Ferg. I was tortured with Stadium after 128 sesh. Oh, we did it though. We did both of them. GG's Zeus. GG's everybody. Oh my god, why? Alright. Okay, it is just gonna be fucking tight. No. It's falling. Oh, we're losing it. PMAT is on? Okay, let's go over to PMAT then. I'm making it worse. I miss you, Shay. This fucking mic stand isn't gonna miss me when I'm dead. It's gonna... So guys, let's find someone to raid. It's gonna get fixed after, just not now. Okay. Anyway, just make a wish list. I've got a throne list, but it's just not live yet. I need to do that. I need to do that this weekend, for sure. Okay, let's go and raid PMAD. PMAD is lovely. He is probably my favorite streamer in the Battlefield category. Consistently in the Battlefield category. No offense to anyone else. Anyway, if you're new here, I stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 12 to 5 Central Standard Time. Join the Discord. It should be linked here soon. Follow the Twitter, follow the Instagram to keep up with what we're doing lately. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to end this a little bit quickly so I stop having to hold my fucking mic. But go follow PMAD. He's a very, very lovely streamer. He's got a bunch of cool different cameras he's got going on, and his wife's pretty chill too. Hell yeah. Anyway, I will see y'all on Monday. Talk to you later. Talk to you in Discord. Bye, guys.